Welcome to our cozy corner on the internet. Today, we're diving into the world of small living room transformations. If you're feeling cramped in your own space or just looking for some fresh ideas to spruce up your compact lounge, you're in the right place. We understand that decorating a smaller area can be tricky, but with the right tips and tricks, we'll show you how to create a room that's both stylish and spacious. Maximizing space. Let's talk about making the most of your living room, no matter its size. It's all about smart choices and clever design. First, think about the layout. Arrange your furniture to create open pathways. This makes your room feel bigger instantly. Choose sofas and chairs with slim profiles and legs that lift them off the floor. It creates a sense of space. Next, let's pick furniture that works harder for you. Ottomans with storage, sofa beds, and nesting tables are great multitaskers. They serve more than one purpose, saving you precious floor space. And remember, less is more. A few larger pieces can actually make the room feel grander than many smaller items. Mirrors are also your friend. They reflect light and views, giving the illusion of extra square footage. Place a large mirror opposite a window or in a dark corner to brighten and enlarge the space. Keep clutter at bay. Use built-in shelves and hidden storage to tuck away items. A clean and organized room always feels more spacious. By following these tips, you'll create a living room that feels open, airy, and welcoming. Color and light. When it comes to small living rooms, colors and lighting are your secret weapons. They can completely transform the feel of your space. Let's break it down. Colors. Stick to light and neutral colors for your walls and large pieces of furniture. Why? Because they make your room feel more open and airy. Think whites, beiges, and light grays. These shades reflect light, making your space seem bigger than it is lighting. good lighting can do wonders. It's not just about making your room brighter, it's about creating the right mood. Use a mix of light sources, a central ceiling light, some table lamps, and maybe even string lights for a cozy touch. Place them at different levels to light up every corner and add depth to your room. And here's a pro tip: mirrors. They're not just for checking your reflection. Mirrors bounce light around and can make your room look twice its size. Place a large mirror opposite a window and watch your room instantly feel larger. So, remember, with the right colors and lighting, even the smallest living room can feel spacious and welcoming. It's all about playing with perception. Now, go ahead and light up your world. And that brings us to the end of our journey through cozy corners and elegant spaces. If you found inspiration in our small living room ideas today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hopeful Decor for more creative insights. Remember, no matter the size of your space, there's always room for hope and style. Until next time, keep decorating and stay hopeful.